Today on Debunking Daily Myths, the claim that cracking your knuckles leads to arthritis is put to the test. Researchers review decades of data, observe joint x-rays, and compare arthritis rates in frequent knuckle crackers versus non-crackers. The evidence shows no increased arthritis risk, although temporary swelling and reduced grip strength may occur after hard cracking. The sound comes from gas bubbles forming and collapsing in the synovial fluid, not from cartilage damage, so habit alone isn't a predictor of arthritis. Science wins again, proving that curiosity plus evidence beats intuition every time.